Hi everyone, welcome to the Pirate Pretties monthly birthstone jewelry challenge that I am playing along with every month except January. I missed January. So this is September. Now the first set are strung bracelets, which is not usual for stacks, I think. So this is a gunmetal. I'm not going to tell you where I got all these things. Most of the beads came from either Jewelry Television, Jewel School, all the hematite, or Fire Mountain. A few came from Auntie's beads, I think. Like these, there were 4 of these very industrial looking gunmetal spacers, and they're tiara cast. They were the only 4 I had. And then these other things were cousin brand, these here, and they were called charms, but they actually are links. So I haven't put them on myself all together because I need help with the stringing, but I did use gunmetal lobster claws on all of them. And like I said, they're just strung. So all these hematite different shaped beads came out of except for the ones I said were tiara cast, came out of a pack from Jewelry Television, a big bag, like 500 beads. And then these spacers, which are sort of gear-like in my opinion, and hematite, those were on clearance from Fire Mountain many years ago. They were in a pack, I forget the name of it at the moment. And I wire wrapped them onto these links with a blue wire from jewelrymaker.com 20 gauge that I bought years ago. So that's the first set. I'll lay these out on here. I'm not going to lay this one out because it doesn't lay flat because of the way it's wire wrapped. It's best left on there. But these are the ones I was showing you, and these are the industrial kind of looking beads here. Anyway, and then here's the other set. These are stretch bracelets. We have some faceted crystals. Those I think are Chinese actually. But all these are the blue, all the rest of the blue beads are check beads, either the bellflowers or fire polished or just fluted rounds. They're all check beads. Here's those daisy spacers again. Let me take that one off because I want to show you better that one. And I thought, you know, why do we have to use daisy spacers like spacers? They can be the focal. So I put 5 here together, then 3 here, 3 here, 3 throughout the rest, and I just alternated it with different hematite beads. I kind of really like that, although it feels a little loose to me. Then this one, I just used only hematite, and I sort of did a dash dot and then a faceted round. I thought this would this string would go in this bead, but apparently it's not going to. Anyway, I'm not crazy about the stringing stuff I use, the elastic. These are fluted, clear check glass rounds, and the rest of these are from that bag of hematite. And some are plain round and some are faceted, and I didn't really pay attention. Yeah, these are bellflowers. I showed you that, I think. And these are check fire polish. They're sort of cobalt blue and black, but I mixed them in with crystals. And these are not from that big bag. These were some spacer beads. I don't remember where I got them. I don't think it was Fire Mountain though. But this one sort of has a focal too. The one big focal there. So, and I kind of made it so that if you wore them, you know, a blue with hematite, a hematite, a blue with hematite, a hematite, and a blue with hematite, they actually look really nice on that way. So they actually are a tiny bit big on me. I made them so they'd fit 7-inch, but they could probably stretch to 7 1/4. But my wrist is only 6 3/4, so that is why they feel a little loose on me. But there you go. So those are my stack gunmetal. Now I was thinking of making something with chain, like having a strung bracelet but with chain loops. I just never got around to it. I kind of got tired of making them. But I think that would be one of these to go with this set. I don't know. I think I would sell these separately, quite honestly. But anyway, there you have it. That's it. All right. Take care, everyone, and I will see you on the 18th, if not before, probably the 18th. And then I have another video I have to get up as well sometime, and then I need to work on my bargain beat box for a change. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.